Today I want to show about these, the powered rails. Like if you go, like they move by themselves without you having to catch it and stuff. But I found out a way to make them go a lot faster than what they do go. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So, like just do this. Make it go like that. And whenever you put the dispenser rail on it, you put one right there, one just, if you put them underneath it anywhere, they'll work. And so I'll just do this. And let's see what it does. See how much faster that is than... Alright, we're gonna do a race. Never mind, we can't race. I forgot. I don't have anybody. But you could see how fast you go in these. So that's as fast as it will go. But in this, that's how fast you go. Wow. Okay. For real. Alright. Let's see how fast we go. See? Look, that's how fast we go on them. But that's all for this episode. Peace.